1 year ago, my credit score was sitting at 620. Every time I applied for financing, I was offered higher interest rates, lower credit limits, and fewer opportunities. It felt like I was constantly paying a penalty for mistakes I had made years earlier. But then I made a decision that completely changed my financial future. I became obsessed with understanding how the credit system actually works. 12 months later, my score crossed 800. The best part is that I didn't earn more money, win the lottery, or discover some secret loophole. I simply follow the proven blueprint that anyone can use. Today, I'm going to walk you through exactly what happened, step by step, and show you how I transformed my credit profile in just 1 year. The first thing I realized was that most people focus on the wrong things when trying to improve their credit. They think checking their score every day will somehow make it rise. In reality, your credit score is just a reflection of the habits reported to the credit bureaus. Once I understood that, I stopped obsessing over the number and started focusing on the factors that influence a FICO score. Payment history, credit utilization, length of credit history, new credit inquiries, and credit mix became my primary focus. Instead of chasing quick fixes, I started building a system. My biggest problem was payment history. A few late payments from previous years were dragging my score down. I knew I couldn't erase history overnight, but I could make sure it never happened again. I set up automatic payments on every account. Even if I forgot about a bill, the payment would still go through. Month after month, I built a perfect record. This might sound simple, but payment history carries the most weight in most scoring models. Every on-time payment was sending a positive signal to lenders. The next breakthrough came from understanding credit utilization. Before I started this journey, I was using a large percentage of my available credit every month. Sometimes I was carrying balances that made lenders think I was financially stressed. Then I learned that utilization plays a major role in determining a credit score. I started paying down balances aggressively and keeping my credit card usage low. Instead of waiting for the due date, I made multiple payments throughout the month. This helped keep my reported balances low when the credit card companies sent updates to the bureaus. Within a few months, I saw one of the fastest improvements in my score. Another mistake I stopped making was applying for unnecessary credit. Every time you submit a new application, a hard inquiry can appear on your credit report. Too many inquiries within a short period can make lenders nervous. For a while, I avoided applying for random store cards, promotional offers, and unnecessary financing. I focused on strengthening the accounts I already had instead of constantly opening new ones. I also learned the importance of patience. Many people expect their score to jump overnight. Credit doesn't work that way. Lenders want proof that good financial behavior is consistent. Month after month, I maintained low balances, paid every bill on time, and avoided unnecessary debt. As older negative items became less influential and positive activity continued to accumulate,